Hey, I am Capri and this channel is about hula hooping, and what you've just seen is the trick from our today's tutorial. So, half escalator to exit on the other side, transition. Grab your hoop and let's give it a go. If you already know some of the escalators, you probably imagine how the trick works. So let's take a closer look, step by step, in a slow motion and then in the normal motion to understand it better. Alright? So I'm producing this flag hinge movement to enter the hoop through the center of my body. Okay, so I'm touching the lower corner of the hoop towards the center of my body, letting it drop in here into the prepared other hand. Okay, so I'm entering with my right hand and catching it in the left hand. Then I want to go back in the opposite direction, so in diagonal up, and to exit on the other side. All right, and here I am ready to perform any of the vertical tricks, so maybe entering a weave. Okay, now I told you that it works as a transition from the horizontal tricks into the vertical tricks. Okay, but not only, it can be also a nice additive into your hoop flow, into your hoop dance. If you boost it a little with the movement of your body, like push it up a little with your bum or with your leg, can be also a nice element of your hoop dance. It can be, of course, made from the right to the left and from left to the right. Okay, let me give you some additional tips. Of course, you can enter into this trick not only from passing, but from any other horizontal trick that you are performing at the moment and you just want to transition into the vertical ones, okay? What I've done here was additional movement towards here and passing it to the other hand to continue the movement in vertical, okay? You can also try to turn around while doing this movement. Give yourself a few options in here and check out what waits out there. Use it the way you want. And if you need additional tutorials like this, like escalators, transitions, subscribe to the channel and follow up with the list of 30 tutorials that I am preparing in here. There are already some existing. This is another one and there will be more of them. Okay, so I hope you liked it. If so, leave me a like button or a comment and I see you in the next video.